Hey there, I found a wonderful tip that can help you on your YouTube videos. Sometimes people, including me, can speak quite slowly on our tutorials, basically trying to help people follow the steps. If it's too slow, this is what you do. I found this tip. Basically, you're doing the shift plus period to go speed up 25% and shift plus the comma to slow down 25%. So let's go to the wonderful GEG Global video, and let me show you how it works.
Introducing SpeechAlone, the most natural sounding text-to-speech software on the market. Hey, I'm...
Hi, and thank you so much for your interest in
And what I'm going to do,
I am Stephanie
Global
Rothstein, one of the
GEG
6 founding
YouTube
members of
channel.
Global GEG.
If you need to go
Here are
faster,
the other
I'm
founding
holding shift, I'm
members.
clicking up
Stephanie Howell,
period.
Abbott Patel, I'm
And
here,
you see up there,
Pertuz,
it is
Bonnie
moving
Gillette,
faster and
Leslie
speaking faster.
The 6 of us are really proud to
So you
have
can
founded
do
this
that
group
4 times to
as
go
goals.
twice the
And
speed.
we came together really because we saw
If you realize that's just a little bit too fast,
out there to be able to better support
you
the schools
can go
and
down
students
with the comma
and anyone when it comes to being parts of
and find the
GEG,
perfect
all the way
speed
to actually
for
being
you.
professional film.
I hope that
So
helps.
we have a wide variety of things that we do. But if you're already here, it means hopefully that you know a little bit about us in general. I'll take you through a few things, and then I'm going to go over the application.